Investing can often feel like stepping into a dark room filled with unknowns, and for many, fear is the biggest obstacle standing in the way of financial growth. Whether it's the fear of losing money, making the wrong decision, or simply the uncertainty of the market, these emotions can paralyze even the most promising investors. Addressing this fear is crucial because it not only hinders your ability to make informed decisions, but also limits your potential for wealth accumulation. In this video, we'll dive deep into the psychology of investing and explore why overcoming fear is essential for achieving your financial goals. We'll share relatable stories and experiences that resonate with your own journey, making it clear that you're not alone in this struggle. You'll learn practical strategies to conquer your investment fears, from understanding market fluctuations to developing a solid investment plan that aligns with your risk tolerance. We'll also discuss the importance of education and how knowledge can transform fear into confidence. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools to face your fears head-on, empowering you to take control of your financial future. So, if you're ready to turn your fear into fuel for growth, stick around and let's get started on this transformative journey together. Understanding fear in investing. When it comes to investing, fear can manifest in various ways, often leading to hesitation or inaction. One of the most common fears is the fear of losing money. Many investors worry that their hard-earned savings could vanish overnight due to market volatility or poor investment choices. This fear can be paralyzing, causing individuals to avoid investing altogether or to pull out of the market at the wrong time. Another prevalent fear is the fear of making poor decisions. Investors often grapple with the anxiety of choosing the wrong stocks or funds, leading to feelings of regret and self-doubt. Take, for example, Sarah, who hesitated to invest in a promising tech startup because she was afraid of it failing. After watching others reap the rewards, she realized that her fear had cost her a significant opportunity. These stories are not uncommon. Many people have faced similar fears, and it's essential to recognize that you're not alone in this journey. Reflecting on your own experiences can be a powerful exercise. What fears have held you back from investing? Have you ever missed out on an opportunity because of anxiety? By acknowledging these fears, you can begin to understand their impact on your financial decisions. In the next sections, we'll explore how to confront and overcome these fears, paving the way for a more confident investing experience. The power of knowledge. Education is one of the most effective tools for reducing fear in investing. When investors take the time to understand market trends and investment strategies, they empower themselves to make informed decisions. Knowledge transforms uncertainty into confidence, allowing individuals to navigate the complexities of the financial world with greater ease. For instance, by learning about historical market patterns, investors can better anticipate fluctuations and avoid panic during downturns. There are countless resources available to help you build your investment knowledge. Books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham provide timeless wisdom on value investing, while online courses from platforms like Coursera or Udemy offer structured learning on various investment strategies. Podcasts and webinars featuring industry experts can also provide valuable insights and keep you updated on current market trends. By engaging with these resources, you can demystify the investing process and develop a clearer understanding of how to grow your wealth. Remember, knowledge is a powerful tool against fear. The more you learn, the less daunting the investment landscape becomes. As you equip yourself with information, you'll find that your fears begin to diminish, replaced by a sense of empowerment and control over your financial future. So, take that first step towards education and watch how it transforms your approach to investing. The journey to overcoming fear starts with a commitment to learning. Taking small steps. Starting your investment journey can feel overwhelming, but one of the best ways to build confidence is by taking small steps. Investing doesn't have to mean diving in head first with large sums of money. In fact, beginning with small investments allows you to familiarize yourself with the market without the pressure of risking significant amounts. This gradual approach helps you learn the ropes and develop a better understanding of your own risk tolerance. Consider the story of Mark, who started investing with just $50 a month in a diversified index fund. Initially, he was nervous about the market, but as he watched his small contributions grow over time, his confidence soared. Within a few years, Mark had not only increased his monthly contributions, but also expanded his portfolio to include stocks and bonds. His journey illustrates that starting small can lead to substantial growth. Another inspiring example is Lisa, who began her investment journey with a modest $100. She took the time to educate herself and gradually increased her investments as she became more comfortable. Today, Lisa has built a robust portfolio that has significantly enhanced her financial security. Remember, small steps can lead to significant growth over time. By starting with manageable investments, you can ease into the world of investing, gain valuable experience, and ultimately pave the way for a more prosperous financial future. So, take that first small step today and watch how it can transform your investment journey. Building a support system, overcoming fear in investing, is often easier when you have a strong support system in place. Seeking support from friends, family, or investment groups can provide the encouragement and reassurance you need to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Sharing your concerns and experiences with others can help you realize that you're not alone in your fears, and it can also open the door to valuable insights and advice. Take the example of Tom, who was hesitant to invest due to his fear of market volatility. After discussing his concerns with a close friend who was an experienced investor, Tom gained a new perspective. His friend shared strategies for managing risk and emphasized the importance of staying focused on long-term goals. This conversation not only alleviated Tom's fears, but also motivated him to start investing gradually. Similarly, joining an investment group can create a sense of community where members share their experiences and support one another. Hearing success stories from others who have faced similar fears can be incredibly empowering. We invite you to join this conversation by commenting fear in the section below. By sharing your thoughts and experiences, you can connect with others who are on the same journey. Together, we can foster a supportive community that encourages growth and confidence in investing. Remember, building a support system is a crucial step in overcoming fear and achieving your financial goals. Conclusion: as we wrap up our discussion on overcoming fear in investing, let's recap the key strategies we've explored. First, we emphasize the importance of addressing your fears head-on, recognizing that you're not alone in this journey. We discussed how education can empower you, transforming uncertainty into confidence through a better understanding of market trends and investment strategies. Taking small steps was another crucial point, as starting with manageable investments can help build your confidence over time. Finally, we highlighted the value of building a support system, encouraging you to seek guidance from friends, family, or investment groups to mitigate your fears. Now that you have these strategies in your toolkit, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from this information. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you and the investing community. Don't forget to explore our related content on the channel for further learning. We have videos that dive deeper into specific investment strategies, personal finance tips, and success stories that can inspire you on your journey. Remember, overcoming fear is a process, and with the right knowledge and support, you can confidently navigate the world of investing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.